The shadow of tiredness. Understanding dark circles. Dark circles, also known as periorbital hyperpigmentation, are a common concern affecting people of all ages and skin tones. These darkened areas under the eyes can cast a shadow, making us appear tired, aged, or even unwell. While often harmless, persistent dark circles can be a source of significant frustration, impacting self-esteem and confidence. Many individuals seek ways to address this cosmetic concern. My goal is to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of dark circles, their causes, and the most effective treatment options available. Throughout this masterclass, we'll delve into the science behind dark circles, exploring the various factors that contribute to their development. We will then examine the different treatment modalities, from topical creams to advanced laser procedures, outlining their benefits and limitations. Ultimately, knowledge is power. By understanding the complexities of dark circles, you can make informed decisions about your skincare journey and achieve brighter, more refreshed-looking eyes. Beneath the surface, unveiling the causes. To effectively address dark circles, it's crucial to understand their root causes. While the delicate skin around our eyes is naturally thinner and more translucent than elsewhere, several factors can exacerbate darkness under the eyes. These factors can be broadly categorized into four main areas: pigmentation, vascularity, structural shadows, and lifestyle. Pigmentation refers to the melanin content in our skin, which can increase due to sun exposure, genetics, or inflammation. Vascular issues, such as dilated blood vessels or sluggish circulation, can create a bluish or purplish hue under the eyes. Furthermore, structural factors like hollowing under the eyes or loss of volume with age can cast shadows, contributing to the appearance of dark circles. Lastly, lifestyle choices, including sleep deprivation, stress, and diet, can play a significant role in exacerbating dark circles. Pigmentation puzzle. Melanin and dark circles. Melanin, the pigment responsible for our skin color, plays a significant role in the development of dark circles. When melanin production increases in the delicate skin under the eyes, it can lead to hyperpigmentation, manifesting as brown or dark brown circles. Several factors can trigger excess melanin production. Sun exposure is a primary culprit, as ultraviolet radiation stimulates melanin synthesis as a protective mechanism. This is why dark circles can be more prominent in individuals with naturally darker skin tones or those who live in sunny climates. Genetics also play a role, as some individuals are genetically predisposed to hyperpigmentation. Additionally, inflammation or trauma to the skin under the eyes, such as from eczema, allergies, or rubbing, can trigger post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, leading to dark circles. Beyond blue eyes, vascular causes, and thin skin. In addition to pigmentation, vascular factors can significantly contribute to the appearance of dark circles. The skin under the eyes is exceptionally thin, allowing the underlying blood vessels to show through more prominently. When these blood vessels dilate or become more visible due to thin skin, they can create a bluish or purplish hue, commonly referred to as tear troughs. This bluish discoloration is often more noticeable in individuals with fair skin. Furthermore, factors like allergies, congestion, and even dehydration can worsen vascular dark circles. Allergies can cause blood vessels to dilate, while congestion can restrict blood flow, making the veins appear darker. Dehydration can also make the skin appear thinner, further emphasizing the appearance of blood vessels. Section 5. Lifestyle culprits, sleep, stress, and more. While genetics and skin structure play a role, certain lifestyle factors can exacerbate the appearance of dark circles. Perhaps the most notorious culprit is lack of sleep. When we don't get enough rest, blood vessels under the eyes can dilate, and fluid can accumulate, leading to puffiness and a darker appearance. Stress is another significant contributor. When we're stressed, our bodies release cortisol, a hormone that can thin the skin and increase blood vessel visibility. Additionally, stress can disrupt sleep patterns, leading to the aforementioned vascular effects. Dietary factors can also impact dark circles. Consuming excessive salt can lead to water retention, including under the eyes, making the area appear puffy and dark. Alcohol consumption can dehydrate the body and thin the skin, emphasizing dark circles. Section 6. Seeking solutions, diagnosis, and consultation. The first step towards addressing your dark circles is a comprehensive consultation with a board-certified dermatologist. During this consultation, we will discuss your medical history, including any allergies, skin conditions, or medications you're currently taking. We will also inquire about your lifestyle, including sleep habits, stress levels, and diet. A physical examination of the under-eye area will be performed to assess skin thickness, pigmentation, and vascularity. Based on this assessment, we can determine the underlying causes of your dark circles and recommend the most effective treatment approach tailored to your unique needs. In some cases, we may recommend allergy testing or blood work to rule out underlying medical conditions. Section 7. Unveiling your options from creams to lasers. Once we've identified the underlying causes of your dark circles, we can discuss a range of treatment options. For pigmentation-related dark circles, topical therapies containing ingredients like hydroquinone, kojic acid, or retinol can be effective in lightening the skin. Chemical peels and microdermabrasion can also help to exfoliate the top layers of skin, reducing the appearance of hyperpigmentation. For vascular dark circles, laser therapies like pulse dye laser, or PDL, or intense pulse light IPL, can target and shrink dilated blood vessels, reducing the bluish or purplish hue. Structural concerns like volume loss or hollowing under the eyes can be addressed with dermal fillers like hyaluronic acid. These fillers add volume to the under-eye area, minimizing the appearance of shadows and creating a smoother, more youthful contour. Section 8. Triumph over tiredness. Patient success stories. Over the years, I've had the privilege of witnessing countless patients achieve remarkable transformations in their appearance and confidence by addressing their dark circles. One such patient, Sarah, had struggled with dark circles for years, attributing them to genetics and lack of sleep. After a thorough consultation and assessment, we determined that Sarah's dark circles were primarily caused by pigmentation and thin skin. We recommended a combination of topical lightening agents, chemical peels, and laser therapy to address both concerns. Another patient, John, had noticed his dark circles worsening over time, making him look constantly tired. His examination revealed significant volume loss and hollowing under the eyes, creating shadows that accentuated the darkness. We recommended dermal fillers to restore volume and improve the under-eye contour. Section 9. Looking ahead, advances in maintenance. The field of dermatology is constantly evolving, with new technologies and treatment modalities emerging to address cosmetic concerns like dark circles. Advances in laser technology, for example, are enabling us to treat vascular dark circles with greater precision and fewer side effects. Additionally, newer generations of dermal fillers are providing longer-lasting results and a more natural-looking improvement in under-eye volume. While these advancements are exciting, it's important to remember that achieving optimal and long-lasting results requires a multifaceted approach that combines in-office treatments with a consistent at-home skincare regimen. This includes daily sunscreen application, a healthy diet, adequate sleep, and stress management techniques. By adopting a holistic approach to skincare and overall well-being, you can maintain a brighter, more refreshed appearance for years to come.